Look at all these mattresses. Hello. Hey, cool. How you doing, my friend? Steve, man, nice to meet you. What's up with all the mattresses?
We sell mattresses.
They sell them out there? Oh, wow. Who wants to buy a mattress? Yeah. People come and buy them? They're not even covered or anything. Oh, they refurbish them?
I take it out of Mexico too.
Oh, gotcha. When you got an Airbnb in Mexico, it's probably one of these mattresses you're sleeping on, huh?
Yeah.
That's right. All right, we're doing an 09 Altima. Is that what it is?
Yes, sir.
Is it locked or unlocked?
Unlocked.
Unlocked? Okay.
I think it might be out of gas too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And the other key won't work, but
No.
okay.
It got lost or what happened?
Just like snatched the first.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you guys have the door key or no door key?
No door key.
Okay.
They just all push button.
Yeah, there's a key for the door. I'll make that too. Let's turn that on. Station or something or?
I don't know what.
What's that?
I don't know if I believe it.
You don't believe her? Uh-oh. We got a non-believer over here. When you do it as long as I do, just feel it. Feel which way the... Oh, no, I was talking to myself.
Oh, okay.
All right, we're doing 09 Nissan Altima. Keyless. I'm gonna press escape, it's not activated. Oh, whoops. Okay. There, I just heard it release. Success. We're gonna turn this on now till it lights up. It's saying database error, which is fine. We just unplug and start again. Alright. One second. All right, this key is done. Remove cable, turn it off, remove key. Press car to start. Okay. Oh, I took it out. So here's the remote. Might be out of gas.
Yeah.
What he said.
Yeah.
I think you're right. Right. I'll leave that up to you guys, okay?
Okay.
Yep. Nice to meet you too. So your key was stolen?
Yeah,
That-
it was my whole purse.
Your whole purse?
Yeah.
Is that the story we're sticking with?
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Huh?
You weren't supposed to say that.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean. It was just a joke. Just a joke. All right. Let me make you the door key, okay?
All right.
All right. We got the lock picked. Let's read it. It's very scratchy. This is why I gotta know where your wafers are, because I forgot. It's like, I don't know. There we go. Now we're in all the way. We got 1, 3, 4. 4, 3, 4, 3. All right, let me cut this one. Get a code. Yep, we got a code. Yeah. Let me just finish, you know? Make sure it's working. You want to open it? Oh, it should be. Let me test the door key out. Oh, it's still on the car? Alright, that works. Do you know where your programming or your slot in case the battery dies in these fobs is? So there's in here there's a battery. If it ever dies, you can put the whole key, not the metal key. The metal key's only for the door.
Okay.
But you can put the entire fob right inside here, and the car will start, even with a dead battery.
Oh, okay.
Not a car dead battery, but the fob is dead battery.
Oh.
All right?
Yeah.
Good. All right, we're done. If you want gas, I'll take most of the gas. All right?
Taking a chance.
Yeah. All right, let's hear this car start. One of those, those ones that you gotta like push this thing down.
Oh, okay.
Let's see if it goes. If not, we'll.
Shooting now.
Oh shoot!
Oh.
Figured it out. I hate these gas tank things.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I'll never run out of gas.
So no.
I got pretty when I had this truck.
Well, the key got stolen, so she didn't want to turn the car off.
Yeah.
That's probably what happened.
She didn't know what to do.
Oh, it's leaking again.
It ran out in like 3 hours. Man.
Yeah.
Shit.
Makes sense.
What's going on? I can't ride.
Oh, you've been riding the bus for a month?
I'm like July 6th.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Did you guys do like a police report or anything, or no?
She didn't do shit.
Didn't do it.
Alright, so
Let's try that. Yeah, this is just pouring out now. But you got to put your foot on the brake.
yeah. Yeah. Thank you, man.
No problem. Have a good day.
All right, appreciate you,
Thanks.
man.
You can just keep that tank. I don't need it.
Oh, okay.
All right.
All right, thank you, man.
Yep.
Appreciate you, man. Down.
Later.
I'm gonna call the mechanic. I'll let you know what happened.
Yeah, call him. He's a good dude.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.